Hi, this is Nick from Ivy. Today I'm going to show you just how quick it is to request a tutoring session with a teacher using their fixed location. That's where you go to their place, usually their home. To pick up on my last video, here we're looking at the available tutoring times for a teacher on Saturday. Let's pick one and tap Continue. On this grid, you provide information about your child to the teacher. My daughter's name is Claire, and she's in 8th grade, and she needs help on Algebra 1. We can add a message here, or we can just tap on Review. Here we see that I've requested a tutoring session for this coming Saturday at 3 o'clock to 3:30. Algebra 1, the location is private. You have an idea where the location is from the previous map, but the exact tutoring location, the teacher's home in this case, will be shared with you when the teacher confirms your tutoring session. We do that to protect the privacy of the teacher. If the address is shown here, then it's not their home, likely their school or nearby library. The cancellation policy is very simple. You can cancel any time before 9 a.m. on the day of the tutoring session. Now you'll be asked to enter your credit card. You only have to do this once. Your credit card is charged only at the end of the tutoring session, and then you'll tap on Request Booking. The teacher will get your request, and you'll hear back from them pretty quickly via email or a notification. And that's it.